Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here's your boy Yuri from Gold Sniper Signals, and today we make a little bit different kind of video. I will not flex my trades that I post and that big win, that big loss, etc. Today we're going to discuss a easy and simple scalping strategy where you can make thousands of dollars per trade depending how much you have. You can make a lot of money with this trading strategy. Basically, this strategy is made of that you just go for a 20 pip scalp and a 10 pip stop loss. For this strategy, you always look at the currency pair, what is currently in an uptrend or in a downtrend. Therefore, in this example, we're going to take Swiss franc against Japanese yen, and therefore we go on the higher time frame to analyze where is the market actually trending, in which direction, more to the upside or more to the downside. Therefore, we go on the daily time frame. So as you can see, Swiss franc is currently in a very bullish uptrend. That means that we are going to go for buys, only for buys, because sometimes when the price retraces to the downside, it's very risky to put the sell on it, because the price will only go for a few pips down and then reverses immediately. That's why we go always with trend, and this currency is currently in the upper trend on the daily time frame. Then we go down to the 15 minutes time frame. For the strategy, we need two indicators to trade properly and find good setups to enter our buy trade. The first indicator is called Smooth Moving Average, SMA. You just type in here SMA, click on it, and then put it on your chart. Then you make it visible, then go on settings and type in here 100, and then OK. The second indicator what you need is the CMF indicator. You type in here in indicator tab CMF. It's called Chaikin money flow. This indicator says us where is the money flowing, more on buys, more on sells. Then you put it also on your chart, and then let's take a look. So we analyze that switcher francs are in the uptrend and we are looking for buys. So anytime when the price is over this 100 SMA, that means the price of that asset will bump up. As long as we are in this upper 100 moving average, that means the price is in an upper trend. And here in the CMF indicator, you can see that the price is also going up and down. And when we, for example, go for a buy, we must always make sure that this chart is over 0. For example, here in 0.0.6, etc. That must be sure that this indicator is over 0. If this indicator is under 0, it means minus. That means the price is going down. And yeah, let's make some replay and let's check some entries and set some buy orders. So let's play it out. So the price is still moving above this 100 smooth moving average. That's a good sign that this price will continue to rise up. And I also forgot to say that for the strategy I use also my trend lines to enter a good trade, so that we get a perfect entry. As you can see, the price is always rejecting here in this upper side, that means there is also a interesting area where it can be potentially enter. So the price is pretty much pushing down. Let's wait. Trading is also patience, don't forget that, guys. So here we are forming a downwards trend. Here we can also draw another trend line to get an earlier entry. As soon this indicator is over 0, we go for buy, and as soon this trend line got crossed, we go for a buy trade. So it was pretty fast. As you can see here, I would enter my buy trade and go for 20 pips. I will have a very short stop loss around about 10 pips. Absolutely enough, but you can also get easily stop out with a 10 pips stop loss. So we let it at 10, and then we just go for 20 pips. That's it. That's the trade. It's a simple trade. You risk 1% and make 2% for this trade. This is a 2RR trade. Okay guys, now another example with the same currency, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. And as you can see here, the CMF is still over 0 and pretty much in the uptrend, and that means we can possibly go for another buy. And we are also still over the 100 SMA, so that means the upward trend will continue. And that's why I draw this second trend line, and that trend line is a good entry for our buy trade. Therefore I go place that buy order here, put a tight top stop loss 10 pips. Of course you can also use 15 pips if you want, but actually for this strategy 10 pips is absolutely enough. And then you just target 20 pips because you want to play it safe. And then let's wait until the replay play out. So it's up, and it's smashed already our take profit. This is the way how this strategy works. And yeah, when the price of this asset will continue, you can basically still go long, but you must be careful because at some point the price will trend to reverse down. That's why I always wait until the price of this currency retraces down, like here as you can see, so you can get a better entry and then you go long. Not like here, when here's already a strong push to the upside and then you go long. That can be also very dangerous, and then you can get easily stopped out. So that's why here it's pretty safe, because you have here 2 entry points where you scalp these trades and make some money. I also back tested this strategy on British pounds against US dollars, and yeah, it went pretty well. And I figured out it has a around about 67% win rate. That means from 4 trades you win 3 trades, and that's very profitable. And as you can see, I have not always a fucking win. So between these wins I have also some 1 or 2 losses, and that's absolutely okay, because with every win and you smash 20 pips, that makes you 2% on your account if you risk 1%, and your loss is just basically 1%. So when you win 2%, you lost 1%, so you're still 1% in profit. And this is how this trade goes on. It's just mathematics. You have to win 2 trades and you can lose one trade and you'll still be profitable and a good trader. Okay guys, that's it for our today's video. I hope you like it, and if so, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested to copy my trades or general are interested in gold trading, then you should check out my link under this video description. There's a link to my gold signals room, and there you can literally just copy my trades and make some money with me together. There's also a link to my free Telegram. You can check that out, and I hope you like this video and you learn some value, and you should definitely backtest this video before you use real money. And that's it for now. We see us in the next video.